教關係一個網絡平台，同夥伴教會一齊攜手合作，網絡同行，同心去關懷貧窮，致力咁協助教會實踐福音使命喺社區。今日我就會同大家介紹一個主要服侍少數族裔群體嘅教會 New Life Church。咁佢哋教會嘅使命就係去服侍一啲邊緣化嘅社群，特別係一啲少數族裔嘅家庭啦、單親母親同埋青少年，透過全人嘅關懷同埋支持嚟幫助呢啲嘅群體。佢哋嘅呢個使命就係透過信仰、門徒訓練同埋社區轉化嚟充權佢哋嘅生命，遵從耶穌嘅教導。New Life Church 由10年前喺西貢街公園嘅簡單兒童外展開始，同佢哋講聖經故事、唱詩歌、玩遊戲。去到4年前得到西貢街公園對面嘅大廈樓上單位，已經成為咗一個好活躍、轉化生命嘅教會，熱心咁服侍油麻地同埋佐敦區嘅少數族裔街坊。如今 New Life Church 已經不斷成長，吸引咗好多青少年同埋佢哋嘅家庭。佢哋喺教會嘅群體有都接納、支持同埋屬靈嘅指引。好多人都視教會為佢哋第二個家。目前佢哋嘅崇拜大概有110個會眾，佢哋亦都有15至20個青少年參加佢哋嘅 Roots and Wings 青年團契，30至40個兒童都會參加佢哋禮拜六嘅公園事工。New Life Church 嘅外展活動非常多元化，唔同嘅年齡層都有服侍。兒童嘅 Kingdom Kids 喺公園同小朋友講聖經故事，分享物資同埋玩遊戲。青少年都有佢哋嘅足球隊 Warriors， 同埋教會嘅共享空間 Ignite House， 俾學生一個功課班同埋補習嘅機會。另外佢哋亦都有婦女嘅查經組同埋運動班，朝頭早同佢哋做 Zumba， 減輕生活嘅壓力。New Life Church 嘅楊牧師十分認同教關實踐福音使命在社區呢個理念，多年嚟都同教關一齊同行，透過運用教關提供嘅資源，繼續拓展社區服侍。不如我哋嚟聽下參加過教關、社關義工同埋青年社區幹事呢兩個同行計劃嘅受助人分享。
Hello， 我係 Gusulis 嘅，好多謝俾我機會參加義工計會嘅。我可以煮飯俾公公婆婆。以前我哋咧排過落10盒飯嘅，見到公公婆婆開心，我自己都覺得又開心嘅。多謝俾機會我服侍 Jordan 油麻地，希望我哋繼續服侍公公婆婆。多謝大家。
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Jasmine. I'm a single mom with 4 kids. I was 20 years in Hong Kong. I'm so happy and grateful to join this volunteer program because I love to serve people. I visit and provide assistance them, mostly as woman who's single mom also and less knowledge. I bring them to hospital if they need. I help who's pregnant, a woman pregnancy, alone, have baby. I will visit them room. I will bring them to hospital when they need to check up to doctor, something like that. Then I bring them come to join the church. I bring them to join the fellowship here. I'm so happy. I really happy to join this program.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Nemia, and I am married, and I am blessed with 3 kids. So I have 2 boys and 1 girl. I am so grateful to be a part of this volunteer program because as we serve to the community, we saw the people who are very happy when they receive the boxes. And as before, we only serve 50 people, but we're looking forward to serve more people in the community. So that's why we can spread more love to the community as well. And I am also very happy to see all the people in the community that every time they receive the food boxes, that their smile on their faces is very memorable for me. And hope that we can do more to serve more people in the community, and I'm very thankful for that. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Shanika. I'm from Jamaica, and I've lived in Hong Kong for over 20 years. I am currently a single mom of 2 girls, and in the past I've struggled with a lot of financial issues and a lot of lack of support until I met the pastor of this church. And so I was introduced to a lot of programs that benefited me, my kids, and also to benefit the community. So far I'm using my talents to serve the community and serve the church, which is by providing homework support to children and baby classes. And this also brings a lot of passion in me, and also it brings great joy when I see the children very happily working hard, trying to get good grades, and hopefully their future will be very bright. Yes, thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Amelia, and I was recently given an opportunity to join the Youth Community Organizer Mentorship Program. Before joining, I was not proactive. I was not a proactive person, rather shy and really embarrassed. But after joining this program, it taught me how to be more open and more confident with the way I act to other people. There was one unforgettable experience. It was when I brought the Warriors football team to a match, and they had to go up against people twice their age. Obviously, they ended up losing. They wouldn't stop complaining about it, and they also cried because they lost. They wouldn't stop crying until they reached the bus stop. And at that moment, I decided to give them a speech, I guess, is to not give up just because you failed at it. Rather learn from it. So maybe in the next time you play against them, you'll win. That kind of encouraged me how to be a role model and a leader to them. During the New Year's, Miss Matches asked me with a task. She asked me, "Oh, could you edit a video for the year-end recap?" And I thought I couldn't do it because it was really last minute, and I thought it was gonna turn out bad, but I said why not, because it's a new challenge. I felt happy because I managed to do something that I never did before, and that kind of led me to think, oh, maybe it could help me with my future job, as it kind of opened up a mind for something I could do in the future. I just want to thank the church, Miss Matches, and Hong Kong Church Network for the poor for giving me this opportunity not only to serve the community but also discover and improve myself.
首先感謝教會關懷貧窮網絡邀請我哋教會 New Life Church 參與社關義工同行計劃同埋呢個青年社區幹事同行計劃啦。其實我哋教會本身我哋係一間細嘅教會啦。由最初我哋喺10年前，我哋係透過喺西貢街公園啦，係兒童主日學開始嘅。咁而我哋今年我哋教會係第4年啦發展，但係我哋中間我哋接觸咗好多一班少數族裔嘅細路仔啦、小朋友啦，甚至乎青少年。我哋知道佢哋嘅需要咧係好大，唔單止佢哋喺教育方面啦，亦都喺關懷佢哋啦、家庭上面咧都遇到好大挑戰嘅。咁而當中透過呢兩個計劃，由呢個嘅社關義工同行計劃嗰度開始啦，咁我哋都邀請咗我哋當中，我哋有一班嘅家長，佢哋都定期參加咗我哋教會一段時間啦。咁佢哋家庭狀況好多，可能係一啲 酷刑申請嘅家庭啦，甚至乎佢哋家庭亦都係當中好多好缺乏嘅，包括經濟上面啦、心靈上面啦。咁而好感謝透過呢一次嘅義工計劃裏邊咧，佢哋可以係透過服侍社區，包括當中嘅係我哋有做一啲派飯啦，佢哋都享受當中嘅過程，就係大家一齊家長係我哋1個月1次嘅嚟到嚟教會啦，佢哋會思考下嚟緊係點樣去煮一啲飯俾我哋同區嘅一啲長者啦，由佢哋去服侍翻同區嘅一啲唔同嘅有需要嘅人咯。咁而當中見到佢哋咧喺服侍裏邊咧，係唔單止有佢哋嘅自信啦，佢哋亦都分享啦，好開心咁譬如完成每一次嘅飯啊，佢哋會計劃個飯盒啊，以至到佢哋去親手去派發嘅時候，都見到佢呢一種嘅歡樂咯。咁而當中特別咧係透過呢一個嘅社關義工同行計劃裏邊咧，其中有一個家長其實佢哋之前咧係有，譬如上年佢哋試過係有差唔多10幾日係冇出過街嘅，但係慢慢佢哋接觸我哋教會之後，亦都透過咧係呢一次嘅義工計劃咧，見到佢生命上面咧好大嘅轉變啦。同好多家長咧都有好多嘅互動啦。亦都透過服侍呢個社區，佢哋學呢個家長學識點樣去關心其他人咯。咁見到佢由一個喺抑鬱嘅裏邊，以至到今天佢點樣走出家庭，以至行入社區去一齊去服侍，睇到佢嘅生命點樣由佢自己嘅改變嘅生命，以至由佢生命影響生命嘅。而另外有一個另外一個同行計劃咧，就係一個青年社區幹事同行計劃。對於我哋教會特別一班青少年嚟講咧，好大嘅幫助，因為我哋服侍嘅呢一班青少年咧，大多數都係少數族裔啦，佢哋嚟自唔同嘅背景家庭啦，當中亦都可能係好複雜嘅。咁但係隨住佢哋慢慢年齡嘅成長，我哋都好擔心佢哋可能會群有啲唔好嘅朋輩啊，咁而慢慢由佢哋開始即係嚟到我哋教會啦，透過今次嘅計劃咧，原來我哋睇到佢哋嗰種咧，由譬如當中我哋特別有一個嘅義工啦 Amelia， 佢本身係一個好冇自信心嘅家庭都複雜背景，但係睇到佢參加呢一個嘅義工計劃之後咧，佢喺生命裏邊唔單止佢有自信啦。佢喺佢教導佢，譬如喺我哋教會裏邊咧，佢會做一啲功課嘅輔導啦。喺佢裏邊去揾翻好多嘅自信心。原來佢話俾我哋知啊，佢都可以做到嘅。跟住亦都透過佢，然之後去一齊同一班青少年同行啦。佢願意去教導、去分享啦。甚至乎當中一啲小朋友同埋青少年見到佢呢一種嘅喜悅啊，佢一種嘅服侍咧，佢會啊，我都好想好似呢個 Amelia 姐姐咁樣，可以係一齊我可唔可以參與服侍啊？一齊，甚至乎而家佢哋都開始學識點樣去由佢哋做一啲大嘅小朋友去睇翻細嘅小朋友。其實睇到佢整個嘅帶動咧，其實係唔單止由家庭、家長，甚至乎青少年，其實透過呢一啲同行計劃咧，其實係可以讓到呢個社區裏邊咧，生命可以改變生命咯。咁特別對我哋教會嚟講咧，亦都見到好多唔同嘅群體啦，亦都透過譬如呢個社關嘅義工同行計劃啦，唔同嘅嚟自唔同嘅國籍唔同嘅群體咧，係一齊聚集喺呢個社區裏邊服侍啦，見證一個好美麗嘅天國嘅一個圖畫咯。而青少年亦都見到佢哋點樣去同行嘅時候，由家長甚至乎 Amelia 嘅媽媽亦都參與呢一個同行嘅計劃嘅時候，整個家庭嘅改變，整個教會嘅睇到佢哋係同佢哋可以同行，睇到佢哋由一個接受者，以至到去即係施予者去幫助人嗰種帶嚟嘅生命嘅唔同咯。咁所以好感謝教關俾到我哋教會 New Life Church 咧，係一個咁好嘅機會咧，係可以去唔單止去服侍、去實踐呢一個嘅天國嘅使命。
感謝神，呢幾位參加者唔單止個人嘅生命得到幫助同成長，佢哋更成為助人者，協助教會去服侍社區上邊其他有需要嘅人，並且喺教會有緊密嘅連結。願主繼續使用教會同埋教關，祝福社區，轉化社區。